Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 17th to the 21st of April 2023 on Monday. Mabosi is shocked to learn that date and the plans for her wedding have been confirmed without confirming with her. Sephamandla is shocked to learn about his marriage terms and conditions. MaMzobe revealed her next dangerous plan on Tuesday. MaMzobe deceives Differ into thinking she is in support of Sephamandla's position. Sephamandla opens up to Mabosi, showing his vulnerable side. Kulegani tells the family he's not attending the wedding on Wednesday. MaMzobe concocts some dark magic for the new king demise. Zodwa is forbidden from joining the Council of Women advising Mabosi. Manzimande finally put her foot down where Kulegani is concerned on Thursday. MaMzobe's demons comes back to bite her. Sephamandla goes all out for Mabosi but is disappointed by his brother. Kulegani plays the blame game instead of taking responsibility for his life on Friday. MaMzobe suffers the consequences of her actions. Mabosi finally makes Sephamandla the happiest man. Differ and Zodwa's secret is on the field in front of everyone. Kulegani swallows his pride. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.